One book, one idea. The Boy, the Mole, the Fox and the Horse by Charlie Mackesy. And one of the most interesting ideas in the book is that sometimes the simplest conversations can carry the deepest truths. Welcome to Book Labyrinth. We're sharing free ebooks with you. Feel free to message us if you'd like to get your hands on them. If you love what we do and find it helpful, a follow or a coffee would mean the world to us. Thank you. Before I picked it up, I honestly didn't understand why it had become such a phenomenon. It has an incredible number of reviews, topped bestseller lists, and seemed to be everywhere. At first glance, it looked like just another illustrated book filled with inspirational quotes. I admired the loose ink sketches and watercolor art immediately, but I couldn't see why so many people loved it. Then I slowed down and realized the book isn't trying to tell a complicated story at all. It simply follows a lonely boy as he wanders through life with a mole who loves cake, a quiet fox, and a wise horse. They don't go on dramatic adventures. Instead, they walk, talk, and gently remind each other of things that are surprisingly easy to forget. Lines like, "Comparing yourself to others is the biggest waste of time," "Asking for help isn't giving up," and "Often the hardest person to forgive is yourself," aren't presented as life-changing revelations. They're quiet reminders that arrive exactly when you need them. There are funny moments too, especially the mole's endless obsession with cake. And those little bits of humor make the heavier messages feel warm instead of preachy. Even though the book sometimes feels more like a collection of thoughtful quotes than a traditional narrative, I found that the illustrations gave every page a sense of intimacy that made the words linger longer. The handwritten text, the expressive sketches, and the gentle pacing all work together to create something that feels personal rather than polished. I can also understand why so many people end up giving this book away as a gift. It's short enough to finish in one sitting, yet it invites you to pause, reread pages, and share them with someone else. It isn't perfect, and if you're looking for a plot full of twists, you probably won't find what you're looking for here. But if you're willing to spend a little time with these four unlikely friends, you'll probably walk away feeling lighter than when you started. Sometimes we don't need new answers. We just need old truths, told with enough kindness that we're finally ready to hear them. If there's a book you'd like me to review, just drop the title in the comments. Need the ebook? Message me on Telegram. And if this video was useful to you, a small coffee donation goes a long way in keeping this channel going.